Hello, my old school soul food family. Chef Jeffrey back with another video. All right, y'all, this is Vlogmas Day 23. I got one more of these to go, y'all. Vlogmas Day 23. All right, y'all, I had discussed earlier this month that this is something I have on New Year's Day since growing up. If you're in the country, really country, this is something that you have on New Year's Day. I don't know, it doesn't have no significance like money or luck. It's just good. Old school chitlins right here. I have took these chitlins. Next year, sometime next year, I'm going to do a video on how to clean these. I was just in the hurry. I just want to get them done. And so I didn't do a video on it. But what I do, I grew up on these things. My daddy used to bring them home, kill a hog. And this is one thing we used to take hours cleaning chitlins, y'all. It was a big thing. So yeah, what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you how to cook chitlins where they don't smell. A lady told me this 30 years ago, and I've been doing it ever since. You cannot smell them. I don't care how you can. I had these at my house one night, Christmas. It was like, it would be 15 years ago, because my dad was still alive. I had it sitting on my stove. My dad loved chitlins. He did not know I had chitlins until he walked over here and looked in the pot. You could not smell them or nothing. I'm going to show you exactly how to do this. That's why it's going to be a two-part video, because I'm going to cook them the next day. This is the key right here. Italian dressing. You marinate them in Italian dressing for 24 hours. I'm going to show you exactly how I do mine. For 24 hours, you do them in Italian dressing. Let them sit in the refrigerator 24 hours. You take them out. You rinse the dressing off. You boil them with onions, salt, and pepper. That's it. The Italian dressing only affects the smell, doesn't, and it actually helps tenderizes the chitlins too, so they don't cook as long. But it doesn't give you no bitter taste or nothing like that. So let me show you how I do it. These chitlins, like I say, are completely clean. I took about an hour and a half, almost 2 hours to clean these things. So what I do, I take a Ziploc bag here, take my chitlins here, and I don't even cut my chitlins, y'all. I leave them whole just like this. I cook them whole just like this. And I cut them as I eat them. My daddy did the same thing. Okay, got them in the Ziploc bag here. All I do, take my dressing here, and I just squirt it all on there. I'm going to put the whole bottle on here, y'all. The whole bottle. Right in there. There we go. Cover this up. Not cover it up, but zip this up here and let it sit in the refrigerator 24 hours, y'all. See that? That's it. 24 hours. I'm gonna let it marinate in the bottom of the fridge. Very easy, very simple. We'll come back tomorrow. We're gonna continue this video tomorrow night, tomorrow afternoon, and I'm gonna show you how we cook these things up. Now, a lot of people watch this video say, "Oh, I don't like it." If you don't like chitlins, turn the video off. Don't even make a comment. I go through this every year. Oh, how can you eat them things? It's stuff people eat that you don't like. It's stuff people I eat I don't like. I don't make negative, bad comments about it. If I don't like it, I move on. Like I say, I don't eat crawfish. I don't eat raw oysters. I don't eat broccoli. With some things I just don't eat. I'm not going to criticize somebody so bad. I poke fun at people. I poke fun at my friends that eat crawfish, wasting time eating crawfish like that. But I don't take it where it's just absolutely just being vulgar and rude to people. So anyway, I'm gonna be back tomorrow. Continue this video off. And like I say, make sure your chitlins are very clean. Get all the corn and mucus and all that off the chitlins. See how pretty my chitlins are? See that? That's what you want your chitlins. Be beautiful. You don't want nothing, no corn, no nothing. Take time to clean them. Like I say, I'm going to do a video on it, how to clean them like this, so y'all will know. But anyway, I'll be back tomorrow. I'm going to let this sit in the refrigerator for 24 hours. Let it really marinate. And we'll go through the next video. Vlogmas Day 23 will be continued. Okay, y'all, we are back for part 2 of the chitlins. Remember yesterday when I marinated these chitlins? Look at this. I put them in a Ziploc bag. Been exactly 24 hours. since I did that. See that? If y'all ain't missed the first part, like I was telling y'all, this is gonna prevent you smelling the chitlins as they cook. The Italian dressing does nothing for the taste. The acidity in it actually helps the cooking go along because it's marinated in acid. It helps speed up the cooking process. The first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take this off of here. I'm gonna pour it in the colander, and I'm gonna rinse all of this Italian dressing off of here. Like I said, if it's a little bit stays on, it's not gonna hurt it, y'all. Put it over here in the sink, in my colander, and rinse all of that Italian dressing off of here, right down the sink. These chitlins, I promise you, they're not gonna smell at all. Okay, now I got them rinsed off. Now all I'm gonna do, y'all, I'm gonna move y'all over to my pot here. Hold on here just a second. Got me some cornbread back there too. Some cornbread back there ready for my chitlins. Okay, y'all, I'm gonna move y'all over here. And I'm gonna put the chitlins right here in the pot here. And what I like to do, I like to take a little chicken base. Some chicken and pork, yes. Put a little chicken base on this, y'all. Hold on. Sprinkle a little chicken base on there. Not gonna be too salty. It's gonna just do nothing but help it, y'all. I'm gonna put my onions on here. I'm gonna pour me some white vinegar on there. I love my vinegar on my chitlins. Now all I'm gonna do, y'all, I'm gonna put a little water in here. And we're gonna simmer this about an hour and a half, 2 hours. Sometimes it takes a little bit longer. And I don't like to put too much water in it, just enough to cover it. And of course, you got to come back and check it and make sure the water's not, once the water kind of lowers, dries out. Of course, you want to add more water to this. Stir this up, give it a nice stir. And that's it. And y'all told y'all before, I do not cut my chitlins. See how clean and pretty they are? I just clean them like that. I do not cut them. I leave them whole just like that, y'all. And like I say, I'm gonna cover this up. A lid here. I'm gonna cover it up, let it simmer about an hour and a half, 2 hours. That's it. Very simple cook chicken. Now you can put celery in this. Some people do. They put celery in their chitlins. All I like in mine is onion. That's all my way my mama used to do hers. And just let it simmer. Now if you got an Instant Pot like I do, have an Instant Pot or a pressure cooker, you can use this. I'm just showing you the old school method of doing it. Like I said, if y'all don't like chitlins, hog maws, stuff like that, it's just an acquired taste. I was raised on them. We used to get them fresh from the hog, just clean them. My daddy used to bring, 5-gallon buckets of them. We sit there and clean them. That's how I learned how to clean chitlins so well. And like I said, I'm going to do a video. If y'all want me to do a video, maybe I'll do one in the next couple of months on how to clean chitlins. If you want a video on that, I'll show you exactly how to get them clean, beautiful, white, and bright like these are. So anyway, y'all, we'll be right back in a couple hours, and I'll show you, maybe I'll come back in about an hour and a half, show you how they're doing. In about a couple hours, we'll be right back with I have my pepper sauce and hot sauce. We're going to have some old school chitlins. Vlogmas Day 23. It's almost finished. We'll be right back. All right, y'all, we are back here. All right, let's take this off of here. Oh, my God. And the more this cooked down, you see the liquids cooked down there, and all they doing just simmering. That's why I put that chicken base in there with that. Oh my God, y'all, this is just flavor. Just flavor here. Look at them nice. Look how look how tender they are. See that? These things are amazingly tender. You barely pick them up, keep them apart. So what I'm gonna do, y'all, I'm gonna step off here and I'll give me a bowl of these here. I got me some cornbread right here, y'all. Let me show you. I got a little cornbread left from my soup the other night. And I'm gonna give me a bowl of these. Like I tell y'all, this is just an acquired taste. If you don't like chitlins, don't eat them. But chitlins, hog maw, beef tripe, you cook them pretty much all the same way, y'all. You just let them simmer. You can put them in a pressure cooker. I like to let mine just simmer. And the most important thing, you can't smell chitlins in my house. If you walk in here right now and I'm over here cooking, you wouldn't even tell that I'm having chitlins cooking all day in the last hour and a half, 2 hours. You can't smell them. That's important, and let them marinate 24 hours in the Italian dressing. So anyway, y'all, I'll be right back. I'm gonna give me a bowl of these, and we're gonna taste these things out with some hot sauce on them. This is New Year's Eve for me. This is New Year's Day for me, y'all. So we'll be right back. All right, y'all, we are back for some goodness. I'm gonna put me a little pepper sauce on here, y'all. I don't want to lose out of hot sauce. I'm gonna use some spicy Cholula. It's a little bit more spicier. That's why I like it. Give me a knife here. You don't even need a knife for this when I'm being fancy. Look how tender they are, y'all. Look at how tender them chitlins are. God. Look at that, y'all. Look how pretty they are, nice and clean. Look at that. Oh, wow. One more bite. And like I said, I don't cut mine until I get in the plate. Look at this. Look at this, y'all. Get your little cornbread with this. I literally could eat this whole pot. Every time I eat chitlin, I think of my dad. My dad absolutely loved chitlin. I don't think nobody alive when he was on earth here eat more chitlins than him. He loved them. My brother loved them. But let me tell you one thing. My mama don't eat them. She said she used to eat them as a child. And she grew in an adult. She just don't eat them. But my mom's younger sister, my aunt, she absolutely loves them. Anytime I make some, you know, because chitlin's kind of pricey. And she's like on a, you know, fixed income, as most elderly people are. I always take her some. I'll make a big pot and I'll take her some. And she absolutely loves chitlins. She does. So, yeah. But anyway, y'all, Vlogmas Day 23 is in the books. And this is the last Vlogmas of this year. I'm going to do a Vlogmas 24, but it's going to be New Year's Day. And this one will be up New Year's Eve. So this is the last video of 2021. So yes, it will be, the next video you see after this will be New Year's Day, which I'll have a special New Year's Day video for y'all. I'll have a special announcement for y'all, and I'll have a new hashtag for y'all. So all that's coming up on New Year's Day. So I'm very excited to start a new 2022 Old School Soul Food video. So anyway, Vlogmas Day 23 is in the books. So if you like this video, please share, please subscribe, please comment. Please follow my other social media accounts: Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Twitch TV, Pinterest, and oldschoolsoulfood.com. Remember the hashtag 2021. It's the last day for the hashtag. Let's hashtag it out. Let's end 2021 with an awesome old school soul food. It'll help somebody old school soul food. Until next time, have a blessed old school soul food day, and I will see y'all in the next video, which will be tomorrow. I love y'all. Bye. Vlogmas Day 23 is done.